Now talking about working principle of circuit breaker. Here basically we are going to discuss about working principle of MCB, miniature circuit breaker, or you can say MCCB, molded case circuit breaker. So let us start. First current carrying path under the normal condition when there is no fault condition. See in this figure, first current will enter in this input terminal of circuit breaker. Then it will pass through the fixed contact and then to moving contact, and then moving contact pass it to the trip coil, and this trip coil pass it to the bimetallic strip, and at last this bimetallic strip transferred it to the output terminal. So this is the operation of circuit breaker under normal condition. Now coming to the faulty condition. Basically there is two arrangements of operations of a MCB under faulty condition. One is provided by bimetallic strip under overload condition, and another one is provided by trip coil under short circuit condition. Let us discuss overcurrent first, then short circuit condition. Okay. Now whenever continuous overcurrent flows through MCB, but there remember one thing here. This overcurrent is due to overload condition, which is almost 2 times or 4 times, or you can say 20 times greater than the rated current. So whenever this overcurrent flows through MCB, then this bimetallic strip is heated and deflects by bending. So due to the bending of this strip, latch point will release and this latch point is attached to the operating mechanism, so it will trip the circuit. See in this figure, under off state there is a discontinuity in current carrying path. So this makes a circuit open, that is the circuit isolated from the power supply under overload condition. So this is the protection against overload condition. But during short circuit condition, whenever large amount of current, which is in kiloamperes, flows through the trip coil, this trip coil is nothing but a solenoid. So this trip coil will generate a strong magnetic flux, and due to this generated magnetic flux, a plunger inside the coil strikes the moving contact to trip the circuit. So due to this generated magnetic flux in a trip coil, plunger will attract and it strikes the moving contact to trip the circuit. Okay, so you can see here, when the moving contact is isolated from fixed contact, then current is not able to pass through the circuit breaker, because in this path this is discontinuity, you can see here. Therefore we can say that circuit is isolated from supply under abnormal condition. So this is the basic working principle of MCB and MCCB. Hope it is clear.